with the mission.
Fox Gaming, we are back playing Into the Deep, modded map from Nexus Mods.
Talk to entry team.
He's good.
You're endangering this operation. Watch yourselves.
Did you
Civilian is down, but breathing.
What?
You shot the civilian too?
This is talk. Roger that. Medical assistance is standing by. Talk to high
I'm gonna tell you again.
Roger
Put your
that,
hands
entry
in
team.
the air.
Tag him.
The guy ran behind her. What am I supposed to do? He had a gun.
The suspect has expired.
Talk reporting.
Wow, he had a knife
Copy
too.
entry team notifying trailers.
Civilian is down, but breathing. Notify EMTs.
Talk reporting.
Civilian stable.
Roger that. Medical assist. Talk to element. Roger that.
On you.
Medical assistance is standing by.
I got the ones in the back. Oh man, it sucks for this guy.
Hey, just hanging out.
Civilian is down, but breathing. Notify EMTs.
Talk to high ground. Affirmative. Make them stable and proceed with mission.
So, which... I think we have to go this way. Okay. Yeah, I went around the corner, got those, so we can probably just go straight right. Yeah, they're all good here. She's good. I gotta get... These guys should already be picked up. Yep, got them. Alright, we're good. You ready?
Hit it.
Oh, great. He's down. He's down. Watch that hallway. I'm gonna bang it.
I don't think there's anybody left.
We've got a dead suspect here.
Talk to entry team.
Put your hands up.
Roger that, entry team. Tag him.
Put your
Keep moving.
hands up.
What now?
Minicam's up. Watch that door all the way down there.
Under control.
I'm on it.
Move the cuffs! Get me the hell
Civilian
out
is
of here!
secured.
Talk to element. Copy entry team notifying trailers.
Got one.
Got one dropped out of the door. He down.
Stand down.
Stable.
We can't afford mistakes like that. Talk to entry team. Affirmative, entry team.
He's down.
We've got a dead suspect here.
This is talk. Copy
I'm not
that,
gonna
entry
tell you
team.
again. Put
Proceed
your
with
hands in
mission.
the air.
Suspect is down but breathing. He's stable and he's ready for evac.
Talk to entry
Notify
team.
trailers.
Copy.
Civilian
Clean
is
house and
DOA.
we'll take them out. Talk to entry team. Copy that, entry team. Notifying morgue.
Moving in behind you. At the back door facing the long hall.
Hey, let me see your hands.
Suspect killed.
This is talk. Talk copies all.
Moving up.
Proceed with your mission.
On you.
Alright, moving. Door straight ahead, door left, end of the hall.
Got it. I don't think those doors open, so I think we're just gonna immediately go left. I can check, but I don't think they open.
I think that door's a dead door.
Yep, it's dead.
Alright, you gonna bang this one?
I think it leads down to the stairs, which it does, and it's closed. I'm gonna bang this door when I open it, though.
You know? I'm gonna pull back just so you got somewhere to go.
Got it. Banger ready. It's locked. I gotta pick it. Peeking door. Moving in right now.
Let me see your hands.
Clear so far.
Let me see your hands.
Watching left.
Got it. Got her.
Relax.
Are you helping those raving psychotics?
Go from evac.
Talk to high ground. Copy, entry team. Notifying trailers.
Alright, I'm gonna go around.
Alright, I'm going left.
Got it. Hallway clear. I got 2 closed doors on the right. 1 open door right.
I see you.
He's down. He's down. Banger going in.
He's stable, and he's ready for evac.
Medical assistance is standing by.
You had one coming up behind you.
Put your hands up!
You got him?
Talk reporting.
I did.
Roger that.
Nice.
Talk reporting. Talk copies all. Proceed with your mission.
I'm up behind you with RPD.
Whew, that would have been bad.
Yeah, I come around the corner and I seen him there. And he was just getting ready to round that corner. And I dropped his ass.
Got it.
Moving to you.
Got it. I'm gonna go left. Reloading.
Nice, son.
Opening.
Get it.
Going in. Got a body in the hall.
The suspect
Target
is
down.
expired.
Talk to element. Copy that, entry team. Notifying
Closed door.
morgue.
Can't peek it. Going in. It's clear. We got an open door 12. Leads into a hallway.
Background over there.
Got it. We still need to go to the middle, I think.
Right here. On me.
Got it. Alright. Is it locked?
Door's locked.
Okay, picking it. I'm out of bangs.
Open the door.
Put your hands in the air! Put your hands up!
Moving in.
Got it.
Let me see your hands!
Civilian.
Put your hands up!
11 o'clock. Suspect down.
Alright, got her right now.
Stay quiet.
Suspect is
Civilian cuffed and prep for evac.
Talk to high ground. Talk to entry team. Copy. EMTs and trailers are standing by.
A gun somewhere.
Got it.
Yes. Bags. Opening.
Put your hands in the air!
Got a contact laying on the ground. Going in.
Put your hands in the air! Put your hands up!
Oh, this does not look good, man. Oh,
Civilian
Jesus.
is alive but unresponsive.
Talk to
Calm
element.
down.
Roger that. Medical assistance is
Please
standing
tell me
by.
what's going on.
I'm not gonna
Leaking.
tell you again.
She's
Put your
dead.
hands in the air!
Alright, another door.
And it leads back into the same room we were in.
Got it. Checking the hall. Right behind you.
Locked. Pick and lock.
Got it. Do you have any bangs on you?
Do not. Yes, I do. Flashbangs.
Sweet. I'm gonna open. Ready?
Oh, go ahead.
You see your hands!
Go in.
Civilian is alive
Jesus.
but unresponsive.
Talk to entry
Civilian is
team.
down but breathing.
Copy.
Notifying
Clean house.
EMTs.
This is talk.
Huh?
Copy. EMTs and trailers are standing by.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle.
Oh, man. That's just pretty gruesome.
That's rough.
That'd be a terrible way to die.
Man,
Put your
Got it,
hands
moving
in
in.
the air! You see your hands!
11 o'clock. Right, clear.
Stay where you are.
I'll leave a link in the description for the mods that we have been using.
Standing by for
Come here!
Yep.
Put your hands up! Let me see your
This is
hands!
talk.
Put
Copy.
your hands
Clean
up
house and we'll
now!
take them out.
That's it.
Anybody incapacitated? Unfortunately.
I think they done passed incapacitated, sir.
Jeez, what'd they do? Get this from like an idea from a Saw movie? This is fucking insane. Trying to not look at the naked bodies.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to have to go through hours of editing. Alright, that's it of Into the Deep. We're going to check and see if we passed everything. But you guys should definitely check this map out. It's definitely pretty graphic, so I'll have to do some correcting in the editing department to make sure that some of the images aren't shown or broadcasted live. You guys can check it out for yourself. So, hope you guys enjoyed the content. We'll see you on the next one. Alright.